When discussing the context of an organization, the ISO standards refer to monitoring internal and external issues and responding to those issues. So, what is an internal or external issue? Usually the term issue has a negative connotation, but in the way that ISO uses it, the term issue is meant to connote both the negative and positive possibilities. For example, not only weaknesses of the organization, but its strengths as well. Usually strengths come with corresponding weaknesses, and weaknesses with corresponding strengths. Usually risk comes with corresponding opportunities, and opportunities with corresponding risks. Issues can also be seen as having both positive and negative aspects. Issues must be viewed in light of the objectives of your management system. If you are implementing a quality management system, then issues are relevant if they impact your ability to ensure quality. If implementing a health and safety management system, then issues are relevant if they impact your ability to ensure health and safety. A great tool for analyzing issues in both their positive and negative light is a SWOT analysis. A SWOT analysis involves analyzing a company's internal strengths and weaknesses and external opportunities and threats. Notice the emphasis on the positive and the negative, and the internal and the external. This makes the SWOT analysis an ideal tool for meeting ISO requirements. What is the difference between an internal and external issue? The difference between an internal and external issue is sometimes blurry, but in general, an internal issue is one that arises, for the most part, from factors that are within your control. Managing internal issues is a bit like planning out your day. You have complete control over what you put on your itinerary each day. An external issue is one that arises, for the most part, from factors that are beyond your control. Managing external issues is a bit like learning how to deal with the weather. A rainy day may require you to change your original plans. Internal issues, or issues over which you should have a fair amount of control, include, for example, your ability to meet organizational goals, your organizational performance, your governance and leadership style, and the sufficiency of resources. External issues, or issues over which you do not have a great deal of control, often arise from the following factors: political factors, economic factors, social factors, technological factors, legal factors, and environmental factors. The acronym PESTLE can help you remember to consider these factors when identifying your external issues. So, in summary, ISO expects you to identify and respond to your internal and external issues. Issues include positive and negative possibilities. One method of identifying internal and external issues, along with the positive and negative possibilities of those issues, is by performing a SWOT analysis. However, you do not have to perform a SWOT analysis. You may use whatever method you like. In another video, we explore various methods for implementing these requirements.